You're thinking about selling your home. It could be for a lot of reasons. You're upsizing because your family's growing, you need a home office, or you're downsizing, or you're looking at becoming an empty nester. The kids are going off to college or making their own families. Then there's the job transfers, financial hardships, maybe the change of life where you need to move closer to family or even into an assisted living. I've worked with clients in all of these situations. Either way, I'm going to give you the general outline of what happens to sell and list your home. But first, congratulations. It's not always easy to pull the trigger and make that decision. And I have quite a few clients that have had the dog chasing the car syndrome. You know, the dog chases the car when it stops, they don't know what to do. They want to sell, but once they caught the car, decide to sell, they don't know what's next. So the fear of the unknown causes them to step back into their comfort zone, maybe put it off. Well, the first step is to talk to a trusted agent. So either way, you've researched real estate agents or you've gotten a referral from a trusted friend, and now you're calling the agent for the first contact, which we call the listing appointment. At that listing appointment, your agent will inform you if it's a seller's or buyer's market, the best strategy for the current market, how we're going to navigate that. And at that appointment, the agent can sit down with you and he's going to ask you what your goals are and your situation. Where are you moving to? What's your timeline? Any other situations that he needs to know about. But normally it's the time that I like to take a few minutes and have you give me a tour of the home. See things that are important to you, what you think should be showcased as far as selling features, and then get the details and add them to what's called an input form. The details of your home, the square footage, the year built, the size of it. The discussion kind of then evolves to where we can talk about price strategy and marketing strategy. Please watch my video here about pricing strategy. Then if we're all in agreement, you will sign a contract with me, which is called the exclusive right to sell contract. It gives me permission to put your house on the MLS, the multi-listing service, and on social media. Print flyers, hold open houses, whatever work is working best for your area. Then I'll schedule a photographer. He'll come and take high quality photos and sometimes drone videos. After that, we'll decide on a launch date and your listing to hit the MLS, the multi-listing service, so you can be prepared for prospective buyers to come to your home. I require a prospective buyer's agent to call for an appointment and make sure that works with your schedule. No one will ever come to your home unannounced, and no agent will take up your time with buyers who are not qualified to buy your home. Questions that my clients actually have in the past is, will you be there when the people that come to see my home? No, I won't. Let me tell you why. It's just because the agent showing the home wants to have the freedom for them to be able to speak freely with their clients about what they like, what they don't like. They don't want the homeowner or the selling agent there. But not to worry. With the Realtor lockbox, or what we call a super key, it will send me notification by text and email that tells me of every agent who is entering your home and when. And remember, I told you, no one will come to your home without asking for an appointment and me clearing it with you first. But I want you to keep this video focused on the process of selling. But once we get your home into contract, I have another video coming up called You Have an Offer, Now What? That video will outline what's expected of the seller and what's expected of the buyer with a detailed timeline for both parties to execute a clean contract. With the normal 30 to 40 day escrow, you'll be settling on the sale of your home and heading to your new adventures.